Hello guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Excuse me, let me introduce myself. My name is Saifa Feriski. You can call me Saifa. I am from Mathematics Education Department. My ID number 21029043. I will explain about integration. A. Definition of integration. Determine the function fx from f action x means determining antiderivative of f action x. Thus, the integration is the antiderivative or antidifferential or the inverse operation of the differential. Integration function fx with respect to x is denoted as follow. Lambang integral fx dx sama dengan fx tambah c with lambang integral atau integration fx dengan f kecil itu adalah function integration, fx dengan f besar itu adalah integration common function, c adalah konstanta. Now consider the derivative of the following function. G1x sama dengan x. G1x equals x. Be obtained G1 action x equal 1. So, if G1 x action equal 1, then G1x equal integration G1 action x dx equal x plus konstanta. Of the description, it appears that if G action x equal x to the power of n, then Gx equal 1 over n plus 1 multiplied x to the power of x plus 1 plus konstanta, or can be written symbol of state integral antiderivative operation xn dx equal 1 over n plus 1 multiplied x to the power of n plus 1 plus c or konstanta, n is not equal to min 1. For example, fx equal 4 to the power of x squared plus 4. Answer, f action x equal 2 multiplied 4 multiplied x squared plus 0 equals 8 x squared. B. Indefinite integral. In the previous part, you have to know that the integral is an antiderivative. So, if there is a function or fx that can differential at interval a, b, so that the fx over dx equal fx, the antiderivative of fx is fx plus c. Mathematically written, symbol of state integral antiderivative operation fx dx equal fx plus c, where symbol of state integral antiderivative operation fx integrate function, namely function with such antiderivative, c konstanta. For example, you can write d over dx x cubed over 3 plus c equal x squared, because symbol of state integral antiderivative operation x squared dx equal x cubed over 3 plus c. So you can look at infinite integral as representative of the whole family of function or antiderivative for its value constant c. The definition can be used to prove the following theorem, which will help in the execution of arithmetic integral. Theorem 1. If n is a rational number and n is not equal to mean 1, then symbol of state integral antiderivative operation x to the power of n dx equals 1 over n plus 1 multiplied x to the power of n plus 1 plus c, where c is a constant. Theorem 2. If f the integral function and k is a constant, then symbol of state integral antiderivative operation k fx dx equal k. Symbol of state integral antiderivative operation fx dx. Theorem 3. If f and g is integral function, then symbol of state integral antiderivative operation fx plus gx dx equal symbol of state integral antiderivative operation fx dx plus symbol of state integral antiderivative operation gx dx. Theorem 4. If f and g is integral function, then symbol of state integral antiderivative operation minus gx dx equal symbol of state integral antiderivative operation fx dx minus symbol of state integral antiderivative operation gx dx. Theorem 5. Substitution integral rule. If u is a function which can differential and r is a number with no zero, then symbol of state integral antiderivative operation ux power of r u accent x dx equal 1 over n plus 1 ux to the power of r plus 1 plus c, where c is a constant and r is not equal to mean 1. Theorem 6. Partial integral rule. If u and v is a function which can different, then symbol of state integral antiderivative operation u df dv equal u multiplied v minus symbol of state integral antiderivative operation v du. Theorem 7. Trigonometry integral rule. Symbol of state integral antiderivative operation sin dx equal mean cosinus x plus c. 2. Symbol of state integral antiderivative operation cosinus dx equal sinus x plus c. And 3. Symbol of state integral antiderivative operation 1 over cosinus x to the power of 2 dx equal tan x plus c, where c is constanta. For example 1, symbol of state integral derivative operation 5x to the power of 4 dx equals 5 over 4 plus 1 x to the power of 4 plus 1 plus c equals 5 over 5 x to the power of 5 plus c equal x to the power of 5 plus c. Example 2, symbol of state integral antiderivative operation 2x plus 5 to the power of 9 dx equals blah blah blah. Answer. Example 2 equal to x plus 5 du over dx equals 2 dx equals du over 2. So, symbol of state integral antiderivative operation 2x plus 5 to the power of 9 dx equal symbol of state integral antiderivative operation u to the power of 9 dx equal symbol of state integral antiderivative operation u to the power of 9 du over 2 equal 1 over 2 multiplied 1 over 9 plus 1 multiplied u to the power of 9 plus 1 plus c equal 1 over 20 multiplied u to the power of 10 plus c equal 1 over 20 multiplied 2x plus 5 to the power of 10 plus c. Thanks you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.